Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of online selling and e-commerce, an opportunity to build a profitable business and make money from the comfort of your own home. If you're ready to explore the vast potential of online selling, then this video is for you. So, let's uncover the strategies and steps to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce and start making money. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding the online selling landscape. Online selling refers to the process of selling products or services through digital platforms, such as your own website, e-commerce marketplaces, or social media platforms. It offers a global reach, 24/7 accessibility, and a wealth of opportunities to connect with customers. Segment 2. Identifying a profitable niche. To succeed in online selling, start by identifying a profitable niche. Research market trends, customer demands, and competition. Find a niche where there's a gap or untapped potential, allowing you to differentiate your products or services and cater to a specific target audience. Segment 3. Setting up your online store. Setting up your online store is a crucial step. Choose a user-friendly e-commerce platform that aligns with your needs, budget, and technical capabilities. Customize your store's design, optimize product listings, and ensure a seamless and secure checkout process. Segment 4. Sourcing or creating your products. Depending on your business model, you can either source products from suppliers or create your own. If sourcing, consider reputable wholesalers, manufacturers, or dropshipping suppliers. If creating, develop unique products that resonate with your target audience's needs and preferences. Segment 5. Building a strong brand. Building a strong brand is essential in the online selling world. Define your brand identity, including your logo, colors, and brand voice. Craft a compelling brand story and value proposition that sets you apart from the competition. Consistently communicate your brand message across all touchpoints. Segment 6. Driving traffic to your online store. To make sales, you need to drive traffic to your online store. Utilize various marketing channels, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising. Create engaging content, leverage social proof, and optimize your store for conversions. Segment 7. Providing exceptional customer experience. Providing an exceptional customer experience is key to success. Offer seamless navigation, easy product discovery, and secure payment options. Provide detailed product descriptions, high-quality visuals, and responsive customer support. Personalize interactions and go the extra mile to delight your customers. Segment 8. Optimizing for conversions and upselling. Optimize your online store for conversions by streamlining the checkout process, reducing friction, and offering incentives like discounts or free shipping. Implement upselling and cross-selling strategies to maximize your average order value. Leverage customer data and analytics to identify opportunities for improvement. Segment 9. Building customer loyalty and repeat business. Building customer loyalty is crucial for long-term success. Offer loyalty programs, exclusive discounts, or personalized recommendations to incentivize repeat purchases. Nurture customer relationships through email marketing, social media engagement, and proactive customer support. Segment 10. Scaling and growing your e-commerce business. As your e-commerce business grows, consider scaling your operations. Explore new product lines, expand your target market, optimize your supply chain, and consider automation tools to streamline processes. Continuously analyze data, adapt your strategies, and seize opportunities for growth. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and strategies to embark on your online selling journey. From identifying a profitable niche to setting up your store, driving traffic, and providing exceptional customer experiences, you're equipped to make money with e-commerce. Remember, success takes time and effort, so stay focused, adapt to market trends, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on entrepreneurship and online business.